YouTube? It's your boy Big Vince King, giving y'all a short little video. This is my trading setup at the house. It's very similar to the truck. You know, I use the exact same laptop that I use on the truck. I just, transport it with me everywhere I go. Got me a little backdrop right here. I ain't done filling it up yet. I want to get all that filled up. Got my bookcase over here, a couple of books that I read or that I'm reading. Yeah, my setup is pretty similar to the truck, minus the fact that I bought this desk brand new instead of making a makeshift desk for my truck out of a piece of plywood. Let's see what we got today. This is our 100K account challenge account right here. Also, I have another account that I just started a couple days ago. I have no idea why it's showing that I'm negative $1,500 on today. I only started this account with 510 bucks. So I don't even know why that's even showing minus 1,500. I only just started trading in it, I think Tuesday. Yep. No, yesterday. My first trades were yesterday, actually. 21st, 22nd. I've already grown this account from 510 to 681. Now, my 100K account challenge, I day trade in here. If you've been keeping track of that. If not, go ahead and check out the other videos on my YouTube. I actually have a playlist for the 100K account challenge. This account, I just started trading in yesterday. It's going to be swing trades and leap trades for options. We can talk about it. I guess we can talk a little bit about what we did yesterday. So far, I got into a Palo Alto. I got into two different Palo Alto calls yesterday, a couple swings, one out for June 20th, one for July 18th. Now, I went ahead and my reasoning behind getting into these Palo Alto calls yesterday is because they just had earnings on Saturday and they beat earnings and they did great. But for whatever reason, here lately, a lot of companies have just been taking a beating. Their stock price has been taking a beating, even though they beat earnings and gave good guidance. So I already knew that, the drop that their stock dropped, I think 7% or something like that, even after they beat earnings. So I was like, yeah, this is a great opportunity to get into a call. I got into the call pretty early in the day. And these calls, I think they were actually up 20 or 25%. So I went ahead and just, let me silence that. I went ahead and just sold them yesterday. Took profit on them. I think I profited maybe $140 between the both of them. So I went from like 510 to 550 yesterday in this account. No, 510 to 650. And then I waited for my June call to drop back in price, and then I got it in again after I sold the first one. So also, I got into an IBIT put. IBIT pretty much mirrors the price of Bitcoin. So if you're wanting to know how to place options on crypto, this is one great way to do it through IBIT. Now, IBIT is not actually a crypto. It's just a crypto ETF. It's a Bitcoin ETF offered by, I think, BlackRock. So got into that today. The reason this is actually a put, so I'm betting that this ETF is going to go down. Bitcoin just hit its all-time high and broke the $110,000 mark. Normally, when they break all-time highs, they tend to sell off. So I'm assuming that they're gonna have a sell-off. So we'll see how it goes. I got into that earlier today. I waited for the daily price to spike up, and then, like I said, a put is when you are assuming that the share price is going to drop. So Let's see the details on this one. It's a June 20th put as well, $59 put. They're currently trading at $63. So, like I said, we'll see. I might talk about this account a little bit more. I'm not going to include this in my 100K account challenge videos. I'll just, make little side videos like this every now and again when I feel like talking about this account. I have no idea why it's showing negative 1525. Let's actually go out. Gains and losses. It's showing. Oh. I wonder where it's not showing the total realized gain. It's just showing the total unrealized in today's realized gain. But yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I did not lose $1,500 in this account. I don't know why it's showing that. But yeah, these are the only 2 trades that I even sold so far. It's July 18th Palo Alto call, and then it's June 20th Palo Alto call. Like I said, I got them yesterday. I sold them both yesterday. Up about almost 150, about 140, 147, 143, right there. I'm trying to add them in my head, and the number's right there. But yeah. And like I said, I got back in that that Palo Alto call today after the price dropped back down to my target price. I'm gonna ride it up again. I don't know if I get another good gain, a good daily gain, I'll probably just rinse and repeat, that way I don't have to ride a roller coaster, but we'll see how it goes. All right, this is gonna conclude this video. I'm not gonna keep this too long. I got a couple things I gotta do. I always got a lot of stuff to do when I make it home. Be out tomorrow too, but I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing day 7 of the 100K account challenge, and y'all have a good night. See y'all later.